So I had a question a couple of weeks ago from Kenneth Stanton. Ken, thank you much for it. I've sussed it out now. So if you want to transfer video files from your drone onto your phone, which you can edit, you don't have to edit. If you want to put it straight up onto Facebook, or you want to do some editing first and then put it onto any of the social media sites, you can. Now you've got a thing called the quick transfer mode. Obviously, one of the main things you need for your phone, guys, if you're using your phone or your iPad or a tablet, is you're going to need the DJI Fly app. Now, all you need, guys, you don't need this one. You may need this one. I'll talk to you about that in a moment. But at the moment, you don't need your RC screen. So we'll just put that over to the side for the moment. What you will need your drone for definite. And what it is mainly is you can transfer those straight away, super fast, or you can just choose the files that you need on your drone. So, should we get on with it? So obviously the first thing you're going to need is your drone. And I mentioned before your DJI Fly app. So we go into the DJI Fly app. And obviously one of the main things is, guys, make sure it's up to date. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to, right, so you're going to need obviously going to need your DJI Fly app. So that's the first thing you need to do. And it will show you just how quick it is. So the next thing you need to do is, I've got new firmware. Interesting. I'll leave that for the moment. We're going to turn on the drone, making sure that we remove the gimbal guard, because it does happen. Now, as soon as the drone turns itself on, there it is. So it comes up straight away. So obviously you saw there, you're going to have to wait a few seconds. And then to transfer what's on this SD card, you just press switch. Obviously you allow it, yes. And what you do, you get this icon. So do what it says. So you just press the button for 2 seconds. Okay, join. Like with all these things, they're fantastic, but sometimes you just have to persevere with it sometimes. So it doesn't always happen straight away. But as you can see there, it's connecting, right. So I got 75% on the battery, on the drone battery that is. So I want to view the album. I'm just going to turn that so you can see what I'm doing. So I've only got one file on here. Now you can see the little arrow, that's the download arrow, and that's the Thunderbolt. Now, if I had 3 or 4 of those, I could tick that and the whole lot. You could download the whole lot, or you could just do it individually. So I'm just going to do this one. And there's a download button. It's telling you what you got to do, guys. It's that simple. So you just press that one. Press that one, he says. There it goes. So now it's downloading it to my phone. Now the image you see at the moment is only low reg. It's giving you a preview. So if you didn't want that one, you can go back and try it again. So now it's downloaded it to my onto my phone. So that's done. So it's just said it's been downloaded. It's that quick, guys. It's that simple. Now, obviously, that's a small file anyway. Now, so if you've got the old controller, well, I wouldn't say it's the old controller. It's still quite new, really, isn't it? And you've got the 2 little red buttons there. Even if it hasn't got the 2 little red buttons, if you've got this type of controller and you want to do the same again, do the quick transfer, you turn on the drone, you go into the Fly app, and then what you can do, even though, now what I've done, I've actually binded my Mini 3 Pro to this, because usually it's my Mini 2 on this controller, so I have to bind the 2. So that's the other thing you've got to remember, guys. If you have got the Mini 2 still, and you've got the new Mini 3 Pro. You have to make sure they're binded together. Now what you can do is go into the album. Now if you press, that's the album button, that goes in there. Now I've only got one bit of video footage on there. Then if you go up to the top, it's like a lightning bolt, just press that, and where it says switch, you just press that, and then it says join, so you join that. Now hopefully it will just go straight in. Okay, it's switched. Okay, so we can download that if we want to. So there's the download button. You can see it's just downloaded now. Now don't take any notice of this, because this is actually on my video footage. This was a screen save. So it's just downloaded now. So pretty simple operation, I'll be honest. So that's the video downloaded to my phone. So, hope you found that useful. If you've got any questions, guys, please just ask me. I'm always willing to help. And this is just thinking about it now. You can go in this way to it. If sometimes the screen doesn't always go in because it'll go to fly, I can always press it there. There's the album. There's the lightning bolt. And if I tap on that, there's the download there. So you can do it a few ways. Obviously, I think on the RC screen it's a lot quicker, but you can do it on this. So hopefully that's solved some of your questions if you're watching this video. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like the video, give it a dislike. And yeah, as always, if you've got any questions, you want me to make some videos, I've got somebody asking me about doing a screenshot. That'll be coming up very shortly. But I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Thank you much for watching.